Welcome to Module 4 in AES 6050. So another quick video about what we're doing this week. So as always, we have a quiz due on Sunday. That's over your reading, your assigned reading. By day 7, we're gonna start talking about stats for the next week or so. So this week we're going to talk about descriptive statistics. And so in the assignment, you have the data here. You have the students and the score. And what you're going to do is you're going to use the descriptive statistics calculator and enter the data from this table. Make sure you just enter in the scores for that data. Then after you get that data from the calculator, you're going to have two parts of your assignment here. You're going to provide the answer to each of the following items below, listing what the score is, what's the maximum score of all these 50 students, and a brief explanation of what that data tells you. If you use references outside of the textbook, cite that reference using APA. So you have 8 different points of data. These are descriptive statistics that you're going to tell us the numbers that you get and what they mean. Then in part 2, in your own words, define the normal curve and discuss how you could apply the normal curve to this set of test scores. Provide at least one example. This should be about a paragraph. I don't have to go too much in detail here. What is the normal curve and what's the data from part 1? How's that apply to this particular set of values? Is it the normal? Is it a normal curve? Is it skewed, or how's it fit into that? And provide another example of what a normal curve would look like. So that is due Sunday. Okay, so your discussion board assignment this week, due on Thursday, using the 4 articles from last week that you used to answer your PICO question, provide a summary overview of the research. Within your summary, discuss the similarities and differences between articles, results, similar or conflicting, a summary conclusion, merging the conclusions of the 4 articles together to create a cohesive summary, and identify the clinical applications of this summary conclusion. What does this mean in terms of practicality or clinical practice? Okay, some list is similar to what you did in week 3 or module 3 with the table, so you can use some of that information that you've included. The stat stuff is not in there, but some of the summary stuff should be in there. Make sure that you cite your articles using APA in your statements, and include a reference list of the different articles at the end of your post following APA. Again, do this in a Word document, then run it through Grammarly and edit to get the score of 80. Then paste your post in the discussion threads. Do not attach this as a Word document. Okay, that's due on Thursday. By Sunday, respond to 2 of your peers providing constructive feedback. And as always, make sure that your post is a minimum of 1 fully developed paragraph. So that is week or module 4, what you're doing this week.